So there are lots of metrics when you are a customer success manager. And I actually have a video here where I talk about all of the metrics and all of the different KPIs and specifically the one that matters most. But today I really want to talk about leading indicators and not lagging indicators. And so that's really using metrics to be effective before it's essentially too late. So a leading indicator could be something like Net Promoter Score, how happy or unhappy a customer is with your product and with your personal customer success manager service, but also things like adoption, the rate of adoption, the time it takes to get to adoption, the amount of effort, and even tracking, the emotions and that whole mini customer journey, the ups and downs of that just in the process of adopting, especially around cloud or SaaS-based services. So those things are leading indicators in the sense that there's still something you can do about them. Whereas lagging indicators, I think of really as dollar amounts. So if your revenue is going down, or if people are, instead of expanding, they're actually decreasing the amount of spend, that is something that I think when you're kind of at that point, it sometimes might be too late. Whereas understanding, wow, our adoption is really decreasing, or people are complaining about how long and how difficult it is to adopt. Those are leading indicators that can help you before people just decrease their spend or stop spending with you altogether. And so that's a little bit more deeper into the metrics and really using not only all of these numbers that we're surrounded with as a customer success professionals, but using them to really have an impact on our business and an impact on our customers' long-term success. Which, hint, it's not your metrics, it's the customers.